Instead of being a talk show host, today I'm gonna play a tourist guide. Let's look at this. Linping is a satellite county of Hangzhou, which is fast becoming the first-tier city in China. If you want to know why we are moving very fast from made in China to made by China, you need to get closer to Hangzhou. Happiness of our lifestyle. It's not just local, it's headed for the world center of a manufacturing industry.
The Linping Pavilion showcased more than 1,500 enterprises. We show nearly 500 innovative products and technologies in many fields.
Innovation,
all
products.
Innovation, yes. And we can see the food, clothing, housing, transportation, and technology.
In short, it's about the fashion of our lifestyle.
Yes, we can see all of this in this pavilion.
Excellent.
Yes.
So you need to follow me and to know clearly what Linping is about regarding Hangzhou. Good morning, Cristiano.
Good morning, Uncle Ray. You can see here we have one RV here. That means the off-road vehicles is for outdoor, for fun and for utilities. And we just finished the MotoGPs. That's like the vehicles, the Formula One. The top racing of motorcycles. CFMOTO has won the championship in the Moto3. We finished the EICMA show for the global customers.
Again, this is about an issue of being a championship, being top of the world. So I can't wait anymore. Let me try and have fun on the back of the motorcycle. Let's go. It's cool. Hi Rocky, nice to see you. Please take me to a kitchen.
好的，没问题，马上出发。
Wow, unbelievable. This is like a moon landing into an entirely different world. You'll start to understand why the Chinese are crazy about food and arts of culinary. 哇，你好，很漂亮啊，这个地方。
是的，那么我们今天来了解的呢，是我们老板电器。那它是一个贯穿烹饪前、中、后全链路的烹饪解决方案。
Hi, Rocky， 打开烟机。
好的，正在开启。
This was very impressive and automatically operated and run. This is the beginning of, say, the smart use of digital technology. For example, you can use your smartphones to connect the phone with the kitchenware and showcase why the food and the cooking arts could be amplified. And you use the smartphone and be a very good chef. Unbelievable, I've become an African American through the virtual fitting. This is a part of the fashion industry, a pillar industry of Linping that has forged a partnership with the Paris Fashion College. And a lot of physical shops have been established in continental Europe to let Europe know the implications of Chinese branding. Hello, Madam Zhang.
Hi, 欢迎。
So let's take a look at your exhibits.
Okay, please. 中国的这个古建筑啊，它是那个时候是没有钉子的，它也没有那种什么粘合剂，它是依靠一种非常传统而精密的结构，就是榫卯的结构。
It's one of the Chinese miracles. Hi, Willie. Nice to see you. You will take over the job of being the tourist guide.
它是名气3彩的一个斗拱啊。 只需要一个榫卯，它一个相互的一个结合就可以完成全拼的。
I have the honor to enjoy and to get so close to this miniature toy. It's not only a toy for educating kids, but it's also a textbook. It's a dream. It's a mandate. It's why we should go to the world. I believe this is the most famous branding.
Yes.
And it's known to many in the world that this is what we call the intangible cultural heritage, 叫非物质文化遗产。
This artwork is named the Canal Light， 就是把它创造出运河里面的浪的。
So dynamics of the waves in the canal.
Yes.
They represented the openness, the splashes, the collision, acceptance, and integration.
Yeah.
All of these things combined represent the young vigor and China's readiness to inherit, in fact, the unbroken tradition That's a big story.
Yes.
This is the end of the journey, and look at this bridge. With this, we come to the end of our journey that promotes the branding of the local industry.